In this video, I will show you how to reset your Duolingo password. If you have forgotten your password, don't worry, it is easy to get back into your account. I will guide you through each step. You will be able to start learning languages again in no time. First things first, open up any web browser of your choice. Once your browser is open, tap on the URL bar. Here, type in duolingo.com/forgot_password and hit go. This action will take you directly to the password reset page on Duolingo's website. Now that you're on the reset page, look for the text box provided. Tap inside it and type in the email address associated with your Duolingo account. After entering your email address, locate and tap on the Submit button. This sends a request to Duolingo to initiate the password reset process. Next, head over to your email inbox. Look for an email from Duolingo containing instructions on how to reset your password. Once you find the email from Duolingo, open it up. You should see a button labeled Reset Password. Tapping that button will redirect you to a secure page where you can create a new password for your account. In the first text box, type in your desired new password. Now move over to the second text box and re-enter your new password exactly as before. This ensures that there are no typos. Once both fields are filled out correctly, look for and tap on Submit once more. Congratulations, you have successfully reset your Duolingo password. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.